There's no point of using the tool if it doesn't make your life simple. But what if I tell you there are AI tools that not only make your life simple, but also make you money? In this video, we're going to talk about AI tools that will help you double your income this year. Not only I'll discuss these tools, but I'll also discuss the opportunities that you can grab using these tools to make extra income. And I'll also tell you how can you use these tools to its full potential. And by the way, this video is not sponsored, so this is all my research in order to help you. For those who don't know me, my name is Priya and I'm on a mission to simplify your life. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first one is marketing automation tools such as HubSpot and Marketo. Now, marketing automation tools can not only help you provide services to business such as setting up their social media campaigns, doing email marketing campaigns and other digital marketing services, but it can offer a potential opportunity to freelancers or someone who is a student to start a side hustle. Moreover, if you're a business owner, then it can also help you to save costs by not hiring someone but rather automating these services. Now, what kind of opportunities can you provide or grab using these marketing automation tools? Number one, for example, SEO services, social media campaigns, email marketing campaigns, and the other is marketing consultation services. Marketing consultation services such as market development, implementation consultation services, sales management, and development consulting is a growing market. Moreover, it's been recently added as a new service in Fiverr as well. How can you utilize these tools to its full potential? HubSpot offers you free courses that you can use to learn these tools and understand a little bit more about the kind of service you want to provide. I would definitely recommend choosing one service instead of all in order to start. The demand is increasing and the supply is still limited, and it is a very fragmented market. So this is a great opportunity for someone who's planning to start something new, a side hustle, or somebody who's planning to start a business. Next is development and coding assistance. You can use tools such as GitHub Copilot. The global generative AI and coding market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 25% in the next 10 years. These tools can definitely accelerate the coding process and can also help you provide additional services apart from this. For example, now you can offer custom software development services focusing on rapid development and high quality codes, but using GitHub Copilot, you can even improve your efficiency and serve more and more clients. But how does this tool help and how can you use it to its full potential? GitHub Copilot can help you accelerate your coding process by suggesting code snippets and structures based on the developer's comments. So this will help you reduce your development time, allowing you to take more and more projects on. Moreover, it also opens opportunity to take complex projects that require quick turnaround, and therefore you can command higher fees. The best way to maximize the potential of this tool is basically by using the tool for exploratory coding, allowing you to quickly test out ideas without committing to hours of coding. You can integrate it into your development workflow to handle repetitive coding tasks, freeing you up to focus on more complex and creative problem-solving aspects. And it can also help you to continuously improve your development efficiency. GitHub Copilot will help you increase your development speed by providing you code suggestions, enhance your code quality by emphasizing the errors, also introduce you to the new coding practices. Have you ever used this tool? What are your experiences? Let us know in the comment section. Third is project management AI. So you can use tools such as Asana or Monday.com. For example, there are increasing number of solo entrepreneurs or solo business owners, or even content creators are kind of solo business owners handling so many tasks and juggling between so many tasks together. In that case, you can provide your virtual assistants, your organization skills to help these business owners to manage their social media or their day-to-day tasks, helping them to get more efficient. You can use tools such as Asana or Monday.com, which will help you and guide you on how can you get started. According to Xeon Market Research, the global smart virtual personal assistance market had a valuation of about $2.35 billion in 2022, which is projected to increase to $15.23 billion by the year 2030. But how can you maximize your potential using these AI tools? I mean, you can use a spreadsheet or the old methods of managing your workflow. So basically, you can regularly review and adjust the AI's project prediction and task assignment, so AI visualize and understand what you do day to day and will help you to guide you further based on the pattern. You can use AI insights to identify bottlenecks in your projects early on and figure out what kind of resources you might need. You can even make templates for your communications on your day-to-day life. For example, if you send some kind of report on a daily basis, then you can already create a template using AI, or create a template and suggest it to AI to fill it with the details that has been already been added. It really saves you a lot of time to not do all those manual tasks anymore. But how can you get started? Basically, you can start with some certifications these tools provide. You can start with some kind of small projects that you take in the beginning, and then you can customize your workflow, offer more services, and even provide monthly retainer packages, which will help you to scale your business. Next is using design tools such as Canva AI or Adobe Firefly. So the global digital content creation market was valued at USD $25.6 billion in 2022, which is projected to increase by 13.5% in the next 7 years. So you can provide services such as graphic designing, content creation, social media content, marketing content, branding content. There's so many things that you can provide using these tools. To maximize the potential of using these softwares, the best way to go is to create templates. If you already know a kind of niche that you work with, for example, real estate, you have already been creating their content for social media, then you can use the same template for the similar client. So by creating these templates beforehand and guiding the AI accordingly will help you to save a lot of your time and use these tools to its maximum potential. The next way you can double up your income this year is by providing language translation services. As the population shifts, the need for effective language services increases, therefore increasing the need for qualified translators. In 2023, the market size for language services is expected to hit $72 billion. And by 2028, it is going to hit $98 billion. You can use tools such as DeepL, which is an amazing AI tool used for language translation. Although I see that other tools are also there to offer it, for example, even ChatGPT. But I would definitely recommend DeepL because it provides way more opportunities than ChatGPT. You can provide specific services such as technical documents, translating websites, or marketing materials, which is very high in demand. You can even offer localization services in addition to translation, adapting content to cultural nuances. Now, what are your thoughts? I would love to know your thoughts, or if you have any other suggestions, let us know in the comment section. Your comments are extremely valuable to me. Every time I learn some or the other new thing from your comments. So it's really important to me, and let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, then like. If you didn't like this video, then let me know in the comment section how can I improve myself. Other than that, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.